Maraming tao, mga kabataan, matagal pang panahon, bata pa kami, mag-i-enjoy muna kami. You just don't know. Time is so short. Therefore, be careful how you walk, not as unwise, but as wise, making the most of your time because the days are evil. So then, do not be foolish. Huwag kang mangmang. Huwag kang stupido. But understand the will of the Lord is. Intindihin mo yung kalooban ng Diyos sa iyo. Intindihin mo yung kalooban ng Diyos sa buhay natin. Intindihin natin anong pinagagawa ng Diyos para sa atin. Now, if I ask you, ginagawa mo ba yung will ng Diyos? Then if not, you're wasting your time. And in other words, you're wasting your life. If you are not living according to God's will, then you are wasting your life. Sayang.